Hey, it's Finn, and today we're going to be learning archery. Whoa! Remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to the end for the bloopers. Today, I am going to be showing you the parts of a compound bow. This is a knock. This is a cam. This is the other cam up here. This is upper limb. This is the lower limb. These are bolts, upper bolt and lower bolt. This is the grip here. This is the sight. This is the arrow holder. This is the quiver. And this is cables or string. I'm going to teach you the parts of an arrow. This is an arrowhead or an arrow tip. This is a shaft. It's the whole stick of the arrow. And these are the fletchings. And this is the knock, the little thing that you clip. So now I'm going to tell you about the safety rules. And this is something you gotta do. It's an arm guard and you gotta put it on your arm. It's in case if the string bounces back and hits your arm. We got the fire line here. Unless they say you can go past it, you cannot do this. Can I show them? You cannot do this. Or if an arrow falls like this, you can't get it. If it drops like this, you can still get it. Check your environment. If someone's on your range, just wait until they're behind the range or firing line. If someone is in your range when you're firing, you call cease fire, and then everyone stops firing. But if you see a butterfly just going past, you can still fire. But if you see a person, cease fire! Yeah, once you run out of arrows, weapons down, go back. Then, once they say, all weapons down, go retrieve your arrows. So when you retrieve your arrows, you do an L and you pull with your other hand. And then this is how you carry them. You get this part and the tip, and you walk like this. Zombie walk. Now I'm going to teach you how to load your arrows and fire them. So this is how you load your arrows. You got to put it in the arrow holder if it has one. Then you knock it like this. Knocking is where you put it on the string or thing, whatever it's called. And you pull back. Don't do this. Here, come over here. Come out on this side. Don't do this to your cheek. Get it a little bit farther away like this. Then pull back, and when they say fire when ready, fire when ready. That's how you shoot a bow. Thank you for watching. Hi, I'm Finn, and today we're going to be doing archery. It's Finn, and today we're going to be doing archery. Hey everyone, today it's Finn. And we're going
Try again.
Hi, it's Finn, and today we're going to be learning how to properly do archery. Let me just do a line.